Hello, hi everybody. In this video I'm going to explain how to find LCM and HCF using prime factorization. So here I'm going to take a few examples. By that examples easily you can understand how to find LCM and HCF of the given numbers. Yeah, here 50 and 60. Now how to find the HCF and LCM of these two numbers using prime factorization. First of all, everybody have to know how to find the prime factors for the given numbers. Anyway, again I am going to do here. For first take 50. So for 50, short division method, by using short division method we have to find the prime factors. That is, first take 2 is the smallest prime number, that is 225s are here if we are taking 2 it is not possible because 50 is 25 is not divisible by 2. The reason I have to take another prime number, that is 5. So if I take 5 is a 25, 5 is a 25. So for 50, 2, 5, 5 are the prime factors. Again for 60 also find it. 60 for 60, so last number 0 means it is divisible by 2. 2 30s are and 2 15s are, but 15 is not divisible by 2, and I'll take 3 5s are. 3 5s are. Again last number is anyway that is prime number, so no need to do extra. So write. Now prime factorization, got it. Now write the prime factors, product of prime numbers. So if I take 50 is equal to, how can I write? 2 into 5 into 5. So 2 into 5 into 5. What about 60? 60 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. So these are the prime factors. If we multiply 2 5 is 10, 10 5 is 50, 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 5 is 60. So prime factorization over. So then how can we find HCF from these two? Means for finding HCF, what you have to do is, from these to compare these to 50 and 60 prime factors, from those numbers what are common prime factors? You see, what are the common for both 50 and 60? Here you see 2 and 2, these two are common. So these two are common means write it here, 1 2. From these two, one prime number, write it here. Okay, so these are over. Now one more common thing is, common prime factor is 5 and 5. So these two are, instead of these two, write here one more, 2 into 5, 2 into 5. Is there any other common things are there? Here 5 is there, but here 5 is not there, so it is not common. The reason HCF, what is HCF? 2 5s are 10 is the HCF of the 50 and 60. HCF means highest common factor. So by using this 10, at a time we can cancel 50 and 60 with one number. So in 10 table, 50 and 60 is divisible exactly divisible by 10, 50 and 6, that is HCF. So how can we find LCM? Let's see for LCF, least common factor, how can we find it? Again in this one also you see a common factor. First find the common factor, that is 2 and 2 common. So from these two write 1 2 here into, and again 5 also common. So instead of those two write 5 here, but no other factor is not a common factor. That's the reason. Remaining all, whatever left factors, all you have to multiply it. First 5, next 2, next 3. So if we multiply all these numbers, we'll get 2 5 is a 10. Here also 2 5 is a 10. 10 10s are 100. 100 3s are 300 is LCF. 300 is LCF, least common factor. So in this way we can find HCF and LCM of the given numbers by using prime factorization. Here another problem for you. I'm going to take 12, 15 and 21. Here three numbers are there. For these three numbers, what is the HCF and LCM using prime factorization? First find the prime factors. Take 12, find the prime factor. 2 6 are and 2 3s are and 15. Next take 15, 3 5s are. Next take 21, 3 7s are. So these are the prime factors. Now write it in a line. That means 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 and 15 3 into 5 and 21 3 into 7. So after finding the prime factors, what we have to do is, here you see what are the common factors. After finding the prime factors, write in an order. After that, so what are the common prime factors you find it? That is 3, 3, 3. All the 3 numbers 12, 15, 21 are having the common prime factor is 3. So for that, any other common factor is there? No. Therefore, what is HCF of these 3 numbers is 3 only. 3. Only one common factor. So what? Now LCM, how to find LCM? LCM, to find LCM, least common multiple, or LCF means least common factor. There is no difference. LCM, how to find LCM means again, what are the common factor? 3 is the common factor. 3 is over. So there is no other common factor. But for LCM, what are the remaining factors that we have to multiply it? So 2 into 5 into 7. So if we multiply all these numbers, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 67s are 4, 20. So this is the LCM of the given 3 numbers, and HCF is 3. So HCF means highest common factor. That means the 12, 15, 21 are divisible by 3, all the 3 numbers. So in this way we can find it. And finally, if sometimes you are getting some problems like what is the LCM and HCF of 5 and 7. Here you see there is no common factor for these things. There is no common factor. 5 and 7 itself prime numbers, or otherwise 6 or 7. 6 or 7. So these two also there is no common. 6 is not a prime number, but 6 and 7 co-prime numbers. There is no common factor. So how can what will be the HCF then? HCF of 5 and 7. What will be 5 and 7 means there is no common factor. If there is no common factor means 1 is the HCF. Either 5 and 7 or 6 and 7. 6 and 7. If there is no common factors, what is the HCF? Highest common factor is 1. So what is LCM for these two? LCM of 5 and 7 is anyway common factor is not there. Simply multiply the given numbers. 5 7 the 35 is the LCM of the numbers, or LCM of 6 and 7 is again 6 7s are 42 is the LCM of 6 and 7. So in this way you can find HCF and LCM by using prime factorization. After finding HCF and LCM, if you have any doubt is that HCF and LCM is correct or not. So to check that particular things, you can use one formula, that is what LCM HCF into LCF is equal to product of the given numbers, product of the given two numbers. So that means, for example, 50 and 60 we have taken. So for those things the HCF is 10, LCF is 300. So what is the HCF here? HCF is 10, and what is LCF? 300. So here product of two numbers means 50 into 60. So 10 300s are 3000, and 5 6 are 30, 2 zeros you added, so both are equal. So in this way you can check it out. If two numbers are there, you can check by using this formula. I hope you understand well how to find the prime factorization. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel and like it, share it, and then thank you.